Training sailors to learn their jobs quickly and complete daily tasks safely is critical to achieving high levels of mission readiness and lethality for the United States Navy. It requires thousands of manuals, diagrams, and checklists. Paper instructions and videos are costly to print and update, and they're limited to the perspective of the image or camera angle. BILT Incorporated provides cloud-hosted 3D interactive mobile intelligent instructions to improve maintenance, safety, and efficiency while reducing cost and error. Whether they be aircraft mechanics, logistics specialists, enginemen, expeditionary support, or machinist mates, BILT enables today's sailors where they're most comfortable and competent on a mobile device, where they have the capability to tap the touchscreen for details about a part or component, pinch to zoom in and out, and drag to rotate the 3D animations 360 degrees. BILT gathers data analytics on performance. Insights from these metrics allow BILT instruction designers to continuously improve the instructions in near real time. BILT provides a portal for program managers and frontline leaders to evaluate training progress and competency with quantifiable data and feedback. BILT is available worldwide, both on and off the grid. Hundreds of 3D interactive instructions can be downloaded to a single mobile device and accessed without Wi-Fi, saving space, weight, and fuel. BILT not only addresses the Defense Department's digitization efforts, but also its green initiative to reduce carbon emissions and support sustainability efforts through the reduction of paper manuals. By adopting this award-winning commercial solution, the United States Navy will provide a cutting-edge tool to help sailors accomplish their missions as the force resets and engages in great power competition. Download BILT today and experience the revolutionary innovation of 3D interactive intelligent mobile instructions for yourself.